here will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a bulldog.
Oh, look, it's the project for building the new hospital. Gracious, it is amazing. I say, come take a look. That goat is very good at his job. I would like to learn how to do that myself. Would you like to learn with me?
No, I want to learn how to heal people. I want to be a doctor.
A doctor. Now that's a real vocation.
Let's meet again in 3 years when we've both made our dreams come true.
Agreed. Mr. Goat, would you mind teaching me to build walls?
Why, sure, it'll be my pleasure, son. You do well to just observe at first. See, you lay a coat of mortar, then you lay the bricks. Got it? Pay close attention. They must be straight and even.
Now then, let me give it a shot. Can't be all that difficult. Mr. Goat, I've already built a beautiful wall. Come take a look.
Hey, that seems to be quite a botch job.
Oh.
Building a wall is not as easy as it looks.
How does he know? Oh, rat!
Don't despair, kid. Come here. Observe closely how it's done. First, you lay your mortar like this. Then you put on the bricks, tapping them down so they bed in. Give it a try for yourself.
This should work out well. Now, let me give it the real test. No! Rat, even this time it fell down. I'm exhausted and my hands are rubbed raw. I don't think I can do this type of work any longer. Oh, dear. This is a nightmare. Maybe I can find something else to do. Yes, something more suited to my particular talents. Something that will bring out the best in me. Mr. Goat, can you teach me how to plaster?
Why, of course I can, kid. You begin by selecting your tools. Then you spread on the plaster.
this is easy. I'm already an expert. Look. Oh, dear.
Don't be so impatient, son. It's necessary to mix the plaster well and then spread it evenly with just the right pressure. You see?
Oh, drat it. It's just not possible. I can't do it.
Good morning. How's the work going today?
Good morning, Mr. Cat. My work's going very well. What do you intend to paint on this fine morning?
I've decided your construction site would be a perfect subject.
Well, what a wonderful idea. Happy painting.
See you later.
Maybe painting is more my line of work.
Hey, wait. Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to study with the cat to become a great painter.
Son, without applying yourself and concentrating, you'll never achieve anything.
Yes, well, of course. See you later. I beg you, Mr. Cat, can you teach me to paint?
Of course. Stand back, watch, and learn.
That's really beautiful. What should I do to become as good as you?
How do you get to hang in the Louvre, kid? Practice. Grab yourself a pencil and paper and give it a shot. The first thing is to observe your subject well. Print it in your mind and then draw it. With a steady hand and a light touch. You have to pay more attention, I said, with a steady hand and a light touch.
Ah, yes, I think I've got it now.
No, that doesn't work. Try again.
Oh, drat, what a mess! I wonder if my friend's having the same difficulties. I'll write him a letter.
Excuse me for not having written sooner, but you must understand, I've been very busy learning new things. Oh, it's so late. I should go to bed. Or maybe I should follow my friend's example and study a little longer.
It looks just like it. I wonder if I'll ever be able to draw like that.
To draw well is not easy. One must always look to improve. Even I have never stopped learning. You must always practice and dedicate yourself 100%.
Let me try to draw a pig. Oh, dog. No, that's not it. It's terrible.
Never give up and pay more attention to proportion.
Can you tell this is a cat?
A deformed cat with a big head and a black eye. You must observe your subject well, and once you've imprinted it in your mind, then you must try to recreate it.
But it doesn't work. I can't. Oh.
You must try again. Persistence is the only way to prevail. And never get angry at yourself.
Oh, I stink at this.
This head is so heavy. Hey, why did you draw me like this? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Hey! Stop! Don't run away! Don't leave us like this! You have to fix us! We don't want to look like freaks! Big fella, you must run this like this for the rest of my life! Come back here! Come back here now! You think you can get away with this? You don't get away with this for 8 years! Come back here! Come back here! You can't do it like this! What's the idea? Come back here, you big little guy! Look at my big head! You must fix this right away! It's your fault that I look like this! Learn to draw! Pay more attention to the things you do! Stop! Stop! Come back! Hey! Come back here! Stop! Where you going? Hey! You can't run away like this! You gotta draw me a better eye! Learn to draw, you big dummy! Oh, it's just a dream. They really gave me a good scare. It's true, my drawings stink, and Mr. Cat said I have to keep on studying. Oh, that's it for me. This just isn't my cup of tea. Mr. Cat, I have something I have to tell you. I've decided to quit. That's it. No more drawing for me.
Oh, yeah? You've given up too easily. Go!
It's great to know you're learning a lot of new things.
Instead, I'm learning very little, with little or nothing to show for it. I wonder if my friend is in the same pickle as I'm in.
Time passes, the seasons change, and the rendezvous with his fellow bulldog comes closer each day. And yet, the black-haired little puppy still hasn't committed himself to a profession. As the fateful day looms, our friend decides to take a bus back to his hometown.
Look, the hospital's been finished. Oh dear, the time has come to meet with my friend, and I haven't accomplished anything yet.
It's wonderful to think that my friend helped to build this hospital. Good day, Mr. Goat. I've been assigned to work here.
Welcome, sir. We've been expecting you.
What happened to my friend, the one who helped you build this hospital?
Well, he gave up the work a short time after you left. He preferred a change of occupation.
That's strange. I don't understand.
My friend is on the path to fame and fortune, while I'm marking time on square one. Oh, an airplane! Hey there! Hey, wait! What are you doing? Please stop!
Oh, me? I'm practicing to become a pilot. To be able to fly airplanes, you must be strong, agile, and have the ability to concentrate around the clock.
Really? I would love very much to become a pilot. Meow. Do you
Go
practice
ahead.
a lot with this wheel? I would really like to
Try
try
it if you like. But you must understand that it's not a joke. Get in and I'll help you turn it. Takes a little elbow grease. So there you go. Hold on tight.
Stop it! Help! Stop this thing! I can't hold on! Oh,
Well,
no!
will you look at that? Quite an experience, huh? Out you get.
feel sick. My head is spinning. I think I'm going to pass out.
You look drunk. If you want to be a pilot, don't give up. Come on, let's go on to the other exercises. Hop, 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 hop.
And what is this exercise for?
Bailing out with a parachute. Your turn.
What's
We
next?
continue to exercise. To bail out, one must be fit as a fiddle and have joints that are supple. Hop, higher.
Can I try that too? Hey, what do you think?
Yes, after a few months of hard training.
A few months? I can do it now. I'm strong, agile, and my joints are perfect, really. I'm so afraid. Oh, drat. How did I ever get an idea like this?
Ready?
No. Oh, Geronimo! Oh, no!
What's wrong with you?
I broke my leg. I broke my leg. Oh.
Let me see.
Oh, no. No, 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 no.
Does it
Stop.
hurt?
Oh, the pain. No.
I'm sorry, but I told you it's essential to train for months before jumping, didn't I? Proper training is the most important thing. Wait here.
Oh, poor me. I'll never find a purpose in life. Never.
Come on. Hold on to me. Let's go.
Oh, it's not possible. Oh, what could have happened? Hurry, lay him down on the bed.
Oh my, what happened to him?
He did a trial jump with a parachute and he broke his leg.
Let's see. Well, I don't think it's anything serious. Well, with a little acupuncture, he'll be as good as new. Come on now. Try and move that leg a little.
It's incredible. I'm healed.
No pain?
No, I'm as good as
Hey,
new, thanks
don't
to
you
you.
recognize me?
Oh, it's you. But you've changed completely.
I've become a doctor, but I'll bet in the meantime you've learned many professions.
No, I haven't learned one.
Because you forgot your lesson. Application.
Oh, whoa.
Son, you won't get anywhere with that attitude.
I know, I really tried, but all the professions that seemed easy and fun to do after a while became too difficult for me. Oh, whoa.
I understand, but you have to realize, to achieve whatever it may be that you want to do takes effort and consistency. It's hard work.
I know. Now I understand the commitment one must make to learn something well. And from now on, I'm going to give 100% to everything I do.
And I'm sure you'll achieve whatever you desire.
Hurry, hurry! Let's get back to the field. I need to start my exercises. Up, 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 up. Come on. Up.
And so a difficult lesson was learned. Our friend will never make that mistake again. After months of hard training and 100% commitment, the little black-haired bulldog became a pilot.
The bulldog. How is the bulldog classified in the animal kingdom? The term bulldog indicates a special group of dogs which are mammals belonging to the order of carnivores and to the Canidae family. They have a stocky body and a large head, and their size varies according to the different races. How many species are there, and where do they live? There are several different breeds, all deriving from the English bulldog, a particularly fierce dog that was used to fight bulls. The most famous are the bull mastiff, the English mastiff, and the bull terrier, obtained by crossbreeding with terriers. Nowadays, they're found in almost every corner of the world. How do they live? Usually, bulldogs live in people's homes, or at least in close contact with people. They're often used as watchdogs and make excellent companions. How do they move? Some races, like the English bulldog, include breeds which have a typically slow, rolling gait, while others, like the bull terrier, are extremely agile. What do they eat? Bulldogs eat everything people eat, with a special preference for meat. How do they protect themselves? The bulldog is a master in the art of self-defense. It's one of the world's most dangerous and most aggressive dogs. When well trained, it makes an ideal guard dog for property and people. How do they relate to people? The relationship is excellent. People love bulldogs because they're generally happy, highly intelligent dogs. Can they live in the city? With no problem, especially if taken out frequently and given the opportunity to run around freely.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that to be successful, you must apply yourself and never give up. Oh, look who's coming!